Well, diabetes affects over 37 million Americans. Now a French biotech company is putting its U.S. headquarters here in Pittsburgh to develop a new method of treatment.
As Money editor Jon Delano reports, it's the start of clinical trials of a drug that could ultimately keep patients from needing insulin.
The company Pharma builds on medical research by a French doctor to reverse the type 2 diabetic body's need for insulin injections, giving hope to many diabetic patients.
What he did is he worked very hard and developed a way to trigger and restore normal lipid flow. And when you do that, in all of the experiments that we've done, we start reversing and ending those complications and problems that are associated with diabetes. So we think this is really going to be a fundamental change in treatment.
Jim Nolan, the chair of Pharma, says the company is locating its U.S. headquarters in Pittsburgh at the old AGH Suburban General Hospital in Bellevue to conduct clinical trials here. Nolan is excited about the new drug's potential.
You really want to prevent people from going on insulin in the first place. And that's the beauty of this drug, is the goal is to develop a treatment that ultimately postpones that or ends the need for that as you go on in the future.
Nolan won't call it a cure because type 2 diabetes is often brought on by lifestyle issues, lack of exercise, poor diet, too much belly fat, and the like.
I'm careful about using the word cure because it's a lifestyle disease. And as long as people aren't doing the proper diet and the proper exercise, they'll have the risk of getting the disease. But this will really change the way it's managed.
It's a little early, obviously, since this research is going on. But the hope is that if we can help the body function more efficiently, then we need less outside therapy to help maintain blood sugar control.
Dr. Amit Bhargava, Vice Chair of Endocrinology at Allegheny Health Network and not a part of Pharma, says it makes sense for the company to choose Pittsburgh for its clinical trials.
Pittsburgh is really growing as a hub of technology and innovation, and I think it is fantastic that they've chosen us as a location to launch this and hopefully, look at conducting some good clinical trials here.
With an estimated 1.5 million Pennsylvanians with diabetes and another 3.5 million pre-diabetic, there are plenty of people to participate in clinical trials here. Jon Delano, KDKA News.